Please take a moment to explore this presentation tour. This property is represented by Grey Rog. There are 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and 1 half bathroom in this spacious 4,200 square foot property. To arrange a time to stop by and view this property, or if you would like more information, please contact Grey Rog at 408-929-1925. That's 408-929-1925. Thank you for your interest in this property and enjoy the presentation tour.